Hello everyone, welcome back to the light reading with Golden Girl today. It's already Friday, everyone. Thank God it's Friday. So we only have the New York session left that we can take a break and enjoy our weekend together. Hello, and it's Cesar. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today so on time. Hello, Tanvir. Alright, so if anyone is the new one to my live stream, thank you so much, and I'm very grateful. And if you can like for today live stream video and subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Hello, Shahi. Welcome back, my friends. My beloved friend. Every day I'm looking forward to coming to this time to see all of you again. Okay, so are you excited for today? Signal once again. Yeah, are you excited? Let's comment yes, so that I can give you the signal right now. All right. Once again, that this is the gift for anyone that joined my live stream today on time. All right, and now let's decide to enter a sell signal at the moment, my friends. 4382 to 4330. Stop loss at take profit will be the same formulas. Alright, game set. Get ready and good luck everyone. So it's moving in a narrow range and I draw for you the trend. Yeah, the channel like this. Hi Noreen BB. Good day to you. Hi good queen. Alright, it's heading down, so anyone enter the signal on time? There's a small trend line you can see in a 5-minute time frame. So that's why we have the entry for current sell signal. It's kind of move in a narrow range actually. Alright, it's heading back to the entry, so you can enter now if you are late for this signal. Alright, don't forget to like today's live stream video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much to support me all the time. Hi Justin Lee. Oh, I thought that you already gave up trading in December. Is that you? Is that you, my friend? Or another Justin? Just communicate with me last Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday live stream. So trading is passion, right? As long as you have discipline and you can control your trading psychology, you no need to no need to stay away from it. Okay, you're trading prop now. Good luck to this signal. Welcome back. All right, so anyone in for this signal, let me know. Let me see your hand or let's comment. I'm in. So let me know that you are already in. And our good entry is at 28.5. All right, it's a bit late. Hmm. Lucky signal. So yesterday, New York session, right? The New York session yesterday was crazy. It's heading up to the previous peak, yeah, the highest level of gold price, and then heading down strongly because a lot of traders that they stuck at the peak area, and when the price coming back to that area, many traders stuck at there. They they enter a lot of sell position to close the bad position at 43.74, something like that. And also the CPI data was released yesterday. However, the many traders get suspicious, suspicious for this result. So there are two reasons. There are two reasons explained for the very strong bearish momentum in the yesterday New York session, right? And this one forming the imbalance between buyers and sellers as usual. However, today when the market opened in early Asian session today, the market have a slight gap up. However, it's not a strong willing of the buyers to conquer the previous peak, previous level, and this still under a lot of selling pressure right now. And we can see that from 3 a.m. according to my time zone. Yeah, in today Asian session, gold price has recovered. Yeah, has recovered gradually by this channel. Yeah, I just draw this channel when I live stream in a VIP signal group, and now as we see that in a 5 minute time frame, we have a small trend line because we are scalpers. So I believe that I can do analysis and follow the trend line in a 5 minute time frame. So that's why I set up this sell signal and give you the 15 pips is running on our profits right now. Okay. So it's near 20 pips, everyone. Near 20 pips. It's getting closer and closer and more narrowed to the corner of this triangle pattern. If this 5 minute candle officially break down from the above trend line, so that is another signal for you that gold price is do not hold a support from buyers anymore, and it will heading down to the first level is about 43.20. Yeah, 43.20. All right, for 20 pips. Nice. Thank you so much. So it is another touch wood, right? Another touch wood signal. So if you are truly scalper, 20 pips, close a part of a trade or out of trade and wait for the next to return. Wait for the next time to return because it's having a reaction in this below trend line. So it's a bit uh annoyed. Now it's tend to coming back to our entry zone. Okay, so a few seconds left. It will decide the next direction of the market. And if anyone entered this signal earlier, if you enter in my VIP signal group, officially, of course, you had a better entry around 29. Yeah, 29, so you can have 30 pips profit. Because I opened the live stream late a bit when I after I post this signal in the VIB signal group. So it's easily for you understand that you cannot have the good position, right? So that's why I encourage you to join in my VIB signal group to receive the qualified scalping signal on time from the early Asian session until the New York one. So we can trade real time, especially trading news together. Yeah. Yeah, like I just said, if you're truly a scalper, you can out of the trade and it's heading to below trend line and it's easily to bounce back to our entry zone. It's heading to 27 once again. And now the space between the three EMA ribbons is getting closer and closer right now. So it's nearly forming a crossover. Yeah, between of three EMA ribbons. So this is the important period of the market that it will decide the upcoming direction when we're heading to the New York session. Hi Ali, did you late for today's signal, right? All right, so it's better for you to wait for the price heading back to 28. All right, now it's just 26, yeah, near 27 only. So it's 10 pips left from our entry. It's not a good position at all. Yeah, minus 10 pips if you enter with a micro lot, it's just a $1 distance. But if you enter a trade with zero point 0.1, yeah, zero point 0.1 lot, this is the $10. So it's significant, right? Significant difference. If you accept the loss, you can lower your trading volume and enter to keep your position at the moment. All right, and when the price heading up, you can enter one more with extended, or you can increase your trading volume as well. And when the price heading down, it's time for you to close the bad signal. Yeah, bad position. So that's just very easy, right? I always repeat. And I guess that you already remember for this sentence. Yeah, because it's kind of short and easy for you to remember. The slang, the slogan is easily for you to remember, right? And it's just heading down to 25.5. Yeah, so congratulations for my VIB members that you have 40 pips and my my followers on YouTube channel, you got 30 pips next. Yeah, 30 pips next. All right, so did you enter, Ali? Lower your trading volume and enter for entry as 27. Or you can wait. Yeah, you can wait. Be patient a bit. But you need to accept that you can miss the signal. Yeah, anything has its risk. That's trading. So we have to calculate and accept. All right. Hi, Sikan. What do you mean EBT? Oh, entered. All right. You enter. May I know your position, my friend? Oh, okay. 30 pips profit. Let's close apart. All right. How about everyone else? Are you still in the game? Okay, thank you. Are you still in the game, my friends? What about you? 27.4. All right. So lower your trading volume if you enter any position. That is not good. Yeah, it's not a good position. All right. That is the trading tips that it will help you to lower the risk and also have the position of the running signal. Okay. Okay, you can set the break even as long as you can. Yeah, you really learn the lesson. Set the break even. All right. So one friend set the break even. How about anyone? How about everybody else? Hi, Kenny Bear. Okay, so shut a yeah, it's kind of a good position as well. But remember, lower your trading volume when you enter not good position. All right. So if this signal bring you profit, don't forget to like today's live stream video. Okay, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, so now it's still struggling between the buyers and seller at this position. Yeah, it's easy to understand, right? Because it's half below trend line and it's getting narrowed, more and more narrow to the corner of this triangle. Hi, CD. Okay, you're a beginner. You are newbie, right? How to get information about a VIP membership and the charges? All right, you only need $48 for a month. A month, okay? You will have the VIP access. Or the second option is that you can open the live trading account under my link, and I'm using the service with a Blue Prime broker at the moment from Australia. Okay, and if you can meet the deposit level, I will allow you to join in my VIP channel free. Yeah, absolutely free. Okay, so there will be two options, and you can scan the QR code I insert on the left side of the corner and send me the direct message on Telegram. All right, and I will send you the detailed options you can choose. Thank you so much, CD. I'm waiting for you. All right, so price now heading back to 28. Yeah, so that's why I advise you to lower your trading volume in the first time you enter not good position. Okay, so now the bullish momentum is kind of strong. And if you set this break even, yeah, it's already hit this break even. But you can bet, yeah, to trade smaller with a smaller trading volume for the next round. Okay, so is it clear for you to find me on Telegram? CD? Hello, my friend. All right. Yeah, it's easy for you to find me on Telegram, right? Just scan the QR code and yeah, it will direct you to my channel easily. All right. Thank you so much for your concern and good luck. All right, it's heading up and you enter the trade with the good entry with another better entry. So it's time for you to close the bad position, my friend. Close the bad position. Okay, remember for the steps, when you enter another good position, after you enter a bad one, okay, when the price heading down to the sell signal, close the bad position, okay, to avoid the pressure. When the direction go against to our analysis. Recently, this week is kind of hard, yeah, for all traders, especially scalpers, because you can see this candle is forming a very long wick, both above and upper and lower wick, right? So it is very irritated and annoyed when we trade because it continues to hit the stop loss and destroy our psychology, our trading psychology. So that's why in this market, the first thing you enter the financial market is is that you need to find the way you preserve your capital. Okay, protect your capital first, and then think about to how to earn it, how to earn money. Okay, don't go to the opposite. All right, not just moving in the narrow range of the channel, yeah, of the trend line. Trend lines I draw on the chart. So this is the gift, yeah, the 30 pips for anyone joining my live stream early today. Quick in, quick out. Yeah, truly a scalper. And you can see that the summary table that I show you on the right side of the corner is the running profit. Yeah, the running profit for both VAB and Forex channel. So can you tell me your opinion in today New York session, my friends who are watching my live stream now? I would like to hear your opinion. Is that the direction you predicted is buy or sell? Yeah, meanwhile waiting for the further reaction of gold of the current signal, I would like to discuss with you to hear your opinion for our for the upcoming direction of gold market. Yeah, in today New York session. Come on, interact with me. All right, yesterday CPI year over year was a negative to USD. Okay, let me check the price chart. 230. Uh, when the CPI release, yeah, when CPI release negative for USD, that is why the bullish reaction, yeah, support a lot of the bullish, and it's heading to 42, 42, 43, 42. So it makes sense, right? However, however, there's a lot of buyers close the profit. Yeah, take the profit and have the panic sell. So it's moving like a roller coaster yesterday, New York session. Okay, so you can easily wipe out your million dollar capital in a night. If you enter the trade with a massive trading volume, do not follow a risk management lesson and look it down. Yeah, look it down. Even though you have $1 million in your trading account, the market will take it all. Okay, wait for close above trend lines. So you support for buyers, right? Because you wait to close above the trend line. All right, so it's about time for the decision of gold. Yeah, everything is hesitation. It's showing you the hesitation of both buyer and sellers. You can see that the next candle is freeze. Yeah, it's freeze. So it's getting more narrowed and it will bounce. Yeah, the momentum will bounce a lot when it's heading New York one. So be careful. All right, be careful in today's New York session. And if you want to looking for the qualified scalping signal, welcome to the VIP signal group. I'm here to waiting for you and instruct you with the correct correct signal. That together we make money from this market. Okay. I guess that the market will have a clear direction for 10 minutes. Yeah, around 10 minutes. So whenever I see the movement of gold at the moment, it's so funny, because I can read the mind of the big players at the moment. They are waiting for any reason that for the upcoming explosions, and we do not know which explosion, which direction they will choose. We can do is set up the strategy for both script, both scenarios, up and down. Yeah, if what if happened when it's break out from above trend line, and what if happened if it's break down from the lower trend line. All right, and the current candle is nearly to the doji, so they do not decide. They didn't give the decision yet. All right, so anyone still hold the signal at the sell the current sell one. Anyone still keep it? Anyone keep the position? So I guess that you already left the live stream because of you had the profit already. It's gonna be sad. Oh, you closed after having profit. Okay, because it's hit your stop loss, right? At break even. Is that you setting the break even? All right. Let's see. Another new reaction. Yeah, new reaction right now. It's BE. So enter. Do you enter route two? Do you enter route two, my friend? So now it's still support for sellers at the moment. Hi Niyosha, do you late for today live stream? Are you late? Currently, I have the sell signal on the chart. Okay, so it's just forming a lower wick. So let's wait for another 5 minutes candle established on the chart. And for today, it just have two orange new. Two orange new. It's kind of late. 4 p.m. 4 hours later, near 4 hours later. And don't let this orange new down. Okay? Always raise our alert when we trade by setting the stop loss. Because today is Friday and it's also have the orange new. So it's easily manipulated by the sharks. Okay, wait till the candle close. Yeah, that's good. Very good. 20 seconds left and we will wait for the candle close. Now I guess that it's just moving. It will close in the body, in the range, inside the range of the corner of this triangle pattern. Okay, so let me delete this. This is the example for the VIB lesson I just shared with them, with my VIB members 1 hour ago. So you can see that the body of the candle in 1 hour chart is nearly invisible. Yeah, this is a doji in a 1 hour at the moment. A balanced doji, right? So this is overlapping time between the London to New York session. And you can see the determination or the thought of the sharks when we enter the overlapping time. Sometimes they will rest. Sometimes they will go hunting. All right. So this is the time market manipulation easy happen. Sideways. So it's about to hit the corner, but it's not any clear direction at the moment. So do you have your self analysis when the previous candle closed? Sikan. So far it's kind of blur. I can only identify the next level, the next key level we need to observe when it's decide to break uh direction, each direction. Some idea what's going on in the VIP. Share some own screenshot. Do you mean the title? All right, I already record. Okay, I already recorded, and if you are in my VIP channel, you will receive the link. Okay, and now I just in today lesson, I just share the checklist. Yeah, the checklist you need to follow if you want to improve your trading skill before you decide to set up or enter any trade that's set up by your analysis. Checklist. Okay, today lessons is about a checklist. 10, 10 steps in a checklist. Okay. Yeah, I just see it heading down. Okay, so this is a very important candle. So it's closed below 26. So congratulations to all of us that our sell signal is effective. If not, we will wait. Yeah, we will wait for the next signal. So generally this week we have the most important news release. Yeah, non-farm payrolls, ADP, ADP non-farm payrolls, non-farm payrolls, core retail sales, PMI, CPI. Yeah, very unemployment claims. So only FOMC. Yeah, only FOMC left. That we'll wait for the upcoming week. Next week is kind of quiet because we only have the GDP, prelim GDP quarter over quarter, and unemployment claims. So we already passed an important week trading, an important trading week. Yeah, right. And yeah, and the price is moved like a roller coaster. It's very hectic and dizzy. It's just heading up strongly and then dropping down sharply. So this is truly the game, not for anyone have a broken heart, or any heart disease. So I do not recommend anyone having a heart disease to enter this financial market game. Okay, very dangerous for your health. especially when you bet on in for one trade. Oh my God, super crazy. It's just heading down and it's got to recover. Bullish recover immediately. Is it a retest or it just a short-term recover? Like I see, yeah, I just seen that the body of the previous candle closed below the border. Sorry, the below trend line. So yeah, that's why I still advise you to close. Sorry, to enter, remain your position for this sell signal. Close below the trend line. Yeah, the lower trend line. It's just coming back and retest. Yeah, coming back to the trend line and retest. So this is the signal, and now is the confirmation. So let's wait. Let's wait for the market confirm the sell signal is correct or not. Anyone? Let me know that anyone's still in this game. Don't leave me alone. Hit this break even, and I wonder if you enter again because I advised you to enter the route 2 already. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that you can follow it or not, but now I'm still opening the trade. Okay, so still heading down with a bearish candlestick and 2 minutes left. Yeah, this is a very important 2 minutes. And the open to the closing price of the next candle will be your entry zone. And stop loss you can set above here. If you set by using the price action, yeah, price action. Stop loss you set above here. Or if you follow the risk reward ratio, minus 15 pips, 50 pips, you can set as 34 like me. Meanwhile, waiting for the market, let's take a look for BTC market. For hour. Okay, so when it's break down from the lower channel, the lower trend line is recover, right? It's recover to touch to the trend line like a retest. Yeah, and now it's continue to recover when it move near to the below support zone around 84,000. Yeah, the mark, the key level I note to you. And we will concern another sell signal when it have the reaction. Wait for the reaction when it touch to this trend line. Okay, if it's got the rejection from the buyers, we will get the sell signal. But this is the 4 hour time frame, so be careful to trade. All right. So it's gonna be two direction when it touch to this trend line. Will it got the rejection, or it will break out from this trend line and heading up to conquer the level of 90,500. $90,500 level. And the next level is will concur if it break this resistance zone is 92. Yeah, 92,600. So we will wait for the reaction. Okay, wait for a reaction. We touch to this trend line and this resistance as well because you can see that it's forming a double top pattern as well. Double top pattern. So that is my brief analysis for BTC. It's heading back to 26th level. It's kind of a retest, yeah, retest action of gold price right now. When the scalpers like us is not patient to trade, this is the time to practice the patience. When we see the market moving sideways, it's the time for you to practice the patience. Let's go back to the trend line. 25. Oh, it's heading to 25 and another 40 pips. When I did analysis for BTC, that it's heading to 40 pips next. Okay. So my friends, do you have any question want to ask me about the gold market or any currency pairs? And it about to uh, the most important event, right, of this year, Christmas and New Year. So that's why, this is the reason why I will organize the small event, yeah, like a present, giveaway present for all my followers on YouTube. And the detail of that event I will public to you. I will introduce to you next week. Do you want to receive gift, my friend? Let's interact a bit. I'm gonna go beside a qualified scalping signal like this, like real money. Yeah, money. Do you want to receive money from me? If yes, let's comment. I do. I do. Hi, Dubai, Dubai. Okay, feel free to leave the comments. Hi, Rizwan. Oh, your name is familiar to me. I'm not sure that we I see your comment before or not. Rizwan. Are you still in this cell signal, my friend? So no one answer for the question. Do you want to receive the present from me? No one to receive the present? Really? If I cannot feel your agreement, yeah, I cannot see your agreement, I will consider for this event again. Yeah, because those are free gifts beside of the qualified scalping signal I provide to you. How I learn Trade? What do you mean trade? Do you mean trade? Do you mean trade, my friend? Do you mean how I learned trading? Okay, how I learned trading. Okay, so this is a path for you to remember or to follow. The first one, you need to prepare your psychology. Okay, second, you need to prepare the knowledge. For there will be a definition of this forex market. The first one, I will list the name for you. Okay, the name of this meaning. First one is pips and lot, spread, leverage, swap, margin. Okay, so you need to understand this words meaning. This words meaning. Okay, and the next thing you need to open demo account. Yeah, on any trader, on any broker. Okay, they will provide to you the demo account, and you can enter buy or sell signal by watching live stream. Okay, and then you will see the speed of the money running in the trading in the trading appearance on your trading platforms. MT4 or MT5. I do not encourage you to trade on MT4. Yeah, because MT5 is there are a lot of advantages if you trade on MT5 because it will calculate your loss and your profit automatically. All right, and the next thing is you need to learn how to calculate profit and loss, or we usually call it BNL. BNL. Okay, so this is the basic three basic step you need to learn. And there are two um there are two markets that I usually divide it into. The first one is the gold markets, like gold USD. The second is currency pairs. For the speed of the currency pair is slower than gold market. Okay, you can open the demo account and watch for the speed by yourself, and you can remember. Okay, but follow this step. Yeah, gradually remember because this is very important for a newbie like you. At least you need to understand PIP and loss and calculate the profit and loss by yourself first. Why? Because you need to identify the losing first. Yeah, the losing money first before you decide to enter any trade. Okay. After having enough knowledge for uh this part, then just open the demo account. The live trading account and deposit to the minimum and trade with the micro lot. One 0.01 0.01 lot. Okay. Doing step by step. For the technical analysis, you can learn later. You can learn later. But first, if you are gold scalper or gold swing trader, you need to understand this definition first. Okay, this one is very important, not technical analysis lesson. After you understand all of them, you go get into learning technical analysis like resistance, support, trend line, frequency, or candlestick patterns. Okay, price action patterns, something like that. Those things, keep them later. The first thing you need to understand this first. All right. If you lose so much, there are some reason. First thing you do not. I'm not sure that you enter any VIB signal before that or not. But if you do not follow your discipline about risk management lesson, you will fall into the continuous losing. Okay? The most important things is about the risk management lesson. 1 to 2% rule. For each layer or trade, not a signal. Okay? Be disciplined to this one. And if you're a scalper and you join in any VIB signal group, the next thing you need to follow is enough signal. Okay, the more signal you enter, because we're scalpers, the more probability of winning rate it will increase. All right. It's coming back to the entry, and anyone decide to enter again. Is this gonna be another double top pattern? Established? It's look like a double top pattern because it's got the rejection from 28 to 29 level 2 times. Actually, 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. Yeah, you can entry. You can enter again, Hariba. So is it okay for you to buy? That is the only thing I can advise you. And if you want to receive the detailed instruction in the future, yeah, you can send me a direct message and join my VIP signal, yeah, signal group, so that I can spend more time, yes, more time with you to help you improve your trading skill. Okay, so is it clear for you, my friend? And anyone, do you decide to re-enter for this signal? Let's pay sorry, let's pay attention to below support zone around 23, 43, 23 to 43, 25. Yeah, this is the support zone. Okay, so if you enter the sell signal around 28 to 29, your take profit will above here because you can see that it's got the rejection from the sellers when it touched to this range. 23 to 25. All right, so anyone have a question? Thank you so much for flying us. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like today's live stream video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so every time I can send you a qualified scalping signal to trade real time with me and share with you, share to you my experience. Yeah, my trading experience that my only purpose is that want to help you and me making money from this market and tell you what is right and what is wrong. We need to stay away from it. Okay, so that is my purpose, only purpose when I build this channel, this YouTube channel. So I'm very happy and grateful if you can follow me, subscribe me on YouTube channel, and join to every live stream of Golden Girl. All right. Be patient. Okay. Be patient. And as long as you have a part of your capital, be patient and gradually we build it up. Don't hurry. This market is not for anyone greedy and hurry. Okay. Like me, there's a lot of capital, a live trading account that I wash out when I just begin to trade. Yeah, in the past, 8 years ago. So I really understand your emotion, your feeling at the moment when you face to losing. But we still have a part of a profit, a part of our capital. So we can do it, but step by step. Okay, step by step. And this time will be we will be more serious. We do not become a gambler. We become a trader. Okay, so this is a reminder for me. So I hope you can learn from the fail. Okay, and do it again. As long as you still have patience to trading. All right, and it's about time. Yeah, it's about time. Do you have any question now? If not, I will end today's live stream and heading back to my VIB Signal channel. And see you next time. Together we conquer the market and bring a lot of stories to tell you. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. See you next time. Happy weekend. Remember, today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, but always set a stop loss for every trade you are in. Okay? It's easily manipulated on Friday and Monday. That is the secret no one tell you. So only me do it. Okay? Be careful and take care. Take care and goodbye. See ya.